Hi, I'm Dee for AVANA. Okay, so today I would like to share with you guys about the new AVANA mobile apps that is available in Google Play Store. So, just go to the Play Store and then search for AVANA Store Admin and click Install. Okay, let's go to the mobile AVANA. Okay, first of all, you have to click on the Login with Facebook button. And then click Create Shop button. And then put your shop name. Click Next, put your shop email, shop contact number, choose the shop language, and then click Create button. So as for here, I've already created my shop, which is women's fashion closet. Okay, so here's the your AVANA mobile apps dashboard. So on the top of it, you can see the revenue for this month, which is the total sales of your shop. And then you can also view the total numbers of orders as well as total numbers of customers. Okay, now how to upload the product? You can click on the Add Product button here. And then you can just add your product image up to 4 pictures. You can also put the product name, the product weight, the price, the product quantity, as well as the product description. So as for example, this is the product that I've uploaded. So I've already put 3 pictures of the product, and then the name, the category, the price, the description, the weight, as well as the available stock quantity. Okay, a part of it, you can also share your product through social media account by clicking this share button. And then you can just share it anywhere, anytime, through your WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and many more. Okay. Just to let you know that the most interesting feature about this AVANA mobile app is that we can add order manually in order to tally with the stock in dashboard. Okay, this is very beneficial whenever we are running a bazaar or involved in any event. Okay, as to do so, we can click on the Add Order button and then choose any product that that is desired by the customer, and then just put the quantity, and then click on the Add Product. If you want to add more item, you may click here, or if it is that item, you can just click Next. And then you may also put the customer information, in which this is good for the customer relationship management, or you can also choose to skip the information, and then just click Next, and you can change the status into paid. And then if you have any coupon code during the event, you may put it here, and then you can just click Submit. Yeah, you have successfully created the order. Okay. So a part of it, you can also see the order listing by clicking this Order Listing button. So here is all of the orders that have been made. Okay. You can also see the order that have been paid, also the order that is pending or unpaid. So that's all from me today. Hope that you will enjoy this AVANA mobile app. Hope that you will find this is very beneficial for your business. So see you guys later. Thank you.